guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about this very interesting thing called menstrual cup. Now I'm sure most of you girls have heard about menstrual cup before. If you haven't heard about it, worry not. In today's video we're going to be discussing in detail how to use menstrual cup, what it is and how it is different from sanitary napkins, how it can give you a very hassle-free and happy period. Now before we dive into the video, you guys know what you have to do. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family, and also go ahead and follow me on my Instagram page. I post a lot of content related to my personal style that I'm sure you would love. Now let's get started. Now for some months I have been trying this particular menstrual cup from Everteen, and oh my god, I have never been happier during my period days. I'm sure most of us girls don't feel very comfortable during our period days to do activities such as yoga, gym, or just hang out with your friends or go out there and enjoy. Period days are always kind of different, I'm sure you can relate to what I'm saying. But guess what? Not anymore, because this particular cup here called menstrual cup is ready to change our lives if you use it during periods. Now first let's talk about what menstrual cup is. Menstrual cup looks like this. It is made up of medical grade silicone, which is meant to be put inside your vagina during your period days where the menstrual blood is collected. Once the blood gets filled, it can be taken out of the body again and it can be washed and reused. It might sound a little weird and it might sound a little intimidating that the cup has to be inserted within you, so something which has to be put inside can be a little daunting. But let me tell you, I have used this and this is a really safe and secure process, and it is a very hassle-free process, I would say. Initially, whenever you want to use it, it might seem a little difficult, but once you get used to it, it is a very practical, hassle-free solution to feel free, feel good during your period cycle. I'm sure majority of us use sanitary napkins. In spite of that, we get leaks and stains and odors, and we have to change it like so many times during the day. If we talk about night, let's face it, we all girls have faced sleepless nights during our periods in fear of getting stains. But with this very particular menstrual cup, you don't have to worry about that. It can give you protection up till 12 hours, which is really good. Even if you have heavy flow, all you need to do is take this cup out, empty the contents, and then wash it, then reuse it. It won't give you any odor, it won't harm you, it won't give you rashes or anything. It is going to give you 100% protection. So there is no fear of leakage or stains or anything like that, and it's such a good solution, I would say. Let's talk more about how it is made and how it is meant to be used. So like I told you, this is how the menstrual cup looks like. It is made up of medical grade silicone. So whenever you are having periods, all you need to do is push the cup inside your cervix, so it will easily go inside your cervix and it will stay there in your vagina and it will open up. The blood gets collected in the cup. Whenever you want to take it out, you have to take it out with the help of this stem, which is right here, and empty the contents and then wash it again and then reuse it. Now first of all, before using it, please make sure that you wash your hands properly, you sanitize your hands, and also wash the exterior area of your intimate part well. The menstrual cup now has to be washed with an intimate wash. You can go ahead and use the everteen's intimate wash, or you can sterilize it in hot water. Then you can take the cup and fold it like so, and then you can sit in a squatting position, and then you can slowly push the cup inside your cervix. Slowly and steadily it will go up, and then whenever it has reached that point it is meant to be, you can hear a pop sound, which means the cup has opened, regained its shape, and you can go about your day during periods like a normal day and go to the gym, do your normal regular activities without having to worry about any leakage or stains or any odor. You might struggle a little at the beginning. I also did, to tell you frankly, but once I got used to it, I didn't have a problem. Another question that I'm sure I'm gonna get is that whether it is okay to go to the washroom and pee. I would say that it is absolutely okay. If you are having a very heavy flow that you would totally understand, then I would say all you need to do is take this cup out and then empty the contents and then wash it again with the help of everteen Intimate Wash, or sterilize it in hot water, then again put it back inside. Also, another major query that I'm sure I'm gonna get is that whether you can use it at night while sleeping. The answer is absolutely yes. Now, another thing I would like to tell you that many of us don't actually feel comfortable swimming during periods in fear of obviously getting leakage. With this particular menstrual cup, you're free to do swimming anytime you want during your period day. Also guys, this comes in two sizes. This one right here that I have is a small size and it can hold up to 23 ml fluid, and another size is the large size which is meant for heavy flow and it can hold up to 30 ml fluid. Both of these cups are really inexpensive. I feel they're really comfortable and easy to use. They're very soft. I really have sensitive skin, and let me tell you, it didn't irritate or bother my skin at all. And you don't have to get frightened whether you want to use it or not, because let me tell you, if you give it a try during initial days, you might feel a little different, but once you get used to it, you'd absolutely love it. There will be no turning back. It actually ensures that I can go about my day during my periods like any other regular day, and I feel so very confident and comfortable at the same time. I don't have to worry about getting any stains, or I also don't have to worry about any odor. Also guys, I know that you would be wondering, once you have put it inside, how to take this out. Now all you have to do, again, sit in a squatting position and then slowly and steadily you have to take it out with the help of this stem. It comes in this cute pretty packaging, cardboard packaging. Once you open it, it comes with a pamphlet, tells you in detail how to use it with pictures and everything, and then you can see this particular coat leaf, which is rather beautiful, and then when you open it, you have your menstrual cup. Now once your period days are over, all you need to do is wash it, sterilize it in hot water, and put it back in this batwa which they give. Or let me tell you frankly, while you're going to use it for the first time, you might be a little tense, you might be a little worried, but let me tell you, your pelvic muscles might get tense, and because of that you might find it difficult to insert it. So before insert it, while you are sitting at a squatting position, keep your brain relaxed, keep yourself calm and relaxed and tension free, so that your pelvic muscles are stress free and they are relaxed, and it will ultimately help you to put the cup inside you easily. It saves a lot of money guys, because let's face it, we have to spend quite a good amount of money on sanitary napkins, and it is so very convenient to use. You can take it anywhere you want to. It saves a lot of money, time, and it gives you so much comfort, and it's so very hassle free to use. So yeah guys, that is it about today's video. I personally am very impressed with this product. I'm certainly going to be leaving the link of purchasing the product in the description box below. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I love doing such videos which are informative and I get to share my personal experience with you all. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to do any other videos related to women personal health and hygiene. I love you guys so much. I'll be back very soon with yet another interesting one. Until then, be happy, keep smiling. Bye.